Hi guys, today we are going to learn how download Java and NetBeans IDE to our PC. First of all, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate a comment to this video to create this type of videos. I am using Google search engine to search the Java JDK. First I am going to download the Java development kit because we want to install JDK before installing the NetBeans. I am going to the search bar and type Java JDK download and press enter key of the keyboard. I am clicking the first result in the search results to enter the Oracle download page. Simply you can enter the Oracle downloadable page and also you can see the latest version of the JDK. At the time of making this video, Java 16 is the latest version of JDK. I am clicking on the JDK download to download Java JDK. Next we want to select the product of Java JDK 16 to download. I am selecting JDK 16.0.1, Windows 64.exe because my operating system is Windows 10. Next I am checking the checkbox in a paired window to accept the license agreement. And click download.jdk 16.0.1, Windows 64-bit, exe. Now our JDK is begin to download. I am exiting from the window. Next I am going to download the NetBeans IDE. First I am typing download NetBeans in the search bar. Next I am clicking on the second search result on the Google. Now I enter to the NetBeans downloadable page. You can see the types of the latest NetBeans IDE. I am clicking on the Apache NetBeans 12.2 bin Windows X 64.exe to download NetBeans IDE because I am using Windows 64-bit operating system. Now we are downloaded both NetBeans and the Java JDK. I will show you how install this softwares later. All the downloadable links are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and rate a comment about this video.